Vision.
Come on, dude.
I don't know why you don't like that sound.
Because it hurts my ears. It makes it feel like they're bleeding.
That sound right there. You ain't in trying in my kind. All right.